That's massive, baby.
That's massive, baby.
Can you jump up for the camera 5 times?
I'll go jump. He grabbed me.
I'm sorry.
Egungun, I mean,
No.
You have a girlfriend, Egungun?
Yes, I do.
Why now? If I say no. Okay, I have a boyfriend too.
You see this particular video now, he make Egungun enter inside express. Egungun now no understand, say Egungun be careful, say na express they go. Egungun don't enter express and again trailer don't jam Egungun. Hey my people, is your girl Cindy? Today's episode na Egungun and Nkechi blessing matter we carry come. So this particular video where Egungun do, Nkechi blessing went to an event, so Egungun come do interview am. He come with happiness, go grab the waist of Nkechi blessing. The thing converse the boyfriend though. The boyfriend come write to Egungun say, Egungun, you are not professional at all. Why would you grab my woman's waist? Na me and you they share am. Now this thing where the boyfriend post make internet just dey catch fire. People start to dey bash the man, say, Oga, why you go dey chook mouth? I be inside Nkechi blessing matter. You don't marry am. The man can't later release video say
now today in the comment section I was seeing some people writing, you are not married to her, you have not paid right price, you don't have any right to tell her how to hug and how not to hug.
Say the words
if you end up with this kind of men, your life will be
the man know they protect you. Say he like the way he dey overprotect him woman. No, he need to guard. He need to mount his guard always. Say Christmas don't reach. Everybody, every eye they red now. Now why he say he must mount him guard by protecting a woman? He come ask Egungun, you need to apologize. You need to apologize for grabbing my woman's waist. You have no right to grab my woman's waist. You are unprofessional. Egungun come later apologize, say in dey sorry, say no be wetin he mean na over excitement and happiness make I go grab Nkechi's waist. But my own question be say, Egungun, why you go see that big man food like this? You no control yourself, just go carry your hand around person wife abi around person girlfriend's waist. If na me, you go kill cow. I don't talk. You go kill cow to appease me. You don't know when you dey ask girls turn around for the camera, jiggle that thing when your mama give you, say you be man now, the thing go dey do you touch. You need to be controlling yourself, cause almost all your interviews with women, when you ask them to jiggle that thing where their mama give them, you be man. Sometimes you lose control, you just grab the person. You need to be professional, like Nkechi blessing's boyfriend tell you. Seriously, you need to be professional. Cause no be me they talk this thing, no be only me. If you go comment section when they post this video, a lot of people were saying you need to be self-centered. Is it self-centered? Oh my goodness, Oyibo Barbara. You need to be self-disciplined. You understand? Even self, when you're asking them to jiggle that thing where their mama give them, if you the best thing for you is to close your eye. Cause no matter how you want to control yourself as a man, you must touch it. Cause you be firewood, and body no be firewood. So my people, na the gist why I say make I come share for una be this, so una know say as I'm a boy I be na ogbenge news I dey always search the brain for una. If they cook am immediately, fire I go just carry am as e dey hot. I don't want make it cold at all. I go just carry am straight up to you guys. You guys na my G, so you need real and original and new gist like this. Thank you so much for sticking around. I love you guys. Bye. But wait. Before you go, drop your opinion in the comment section. Do you think what Egungun did was wrong? Do you think Nkechi Blessing's boyfriend overreacted? Waiting be your opinion. Drop it in the comment section. Okay? Bye.